Variance of difference, but what's up? How you doing? Long time no see. God damn, how long has it been?
It's been 2011, 8 years. We counted
first
9.
YouTube video with this
Really?
dude in my Integra.
On your first one?
Yeah.
Everybody knows I'm a motherfucking monster. Everybody knows I'm a motherfucking monster.
So back then, my lifestyle, I didn't even have a business. It was just me building my Integra at that time out of my garage, you know, having fun. And then here we are. Big risk, but they say there's no reward without risk, right?
So you say you don't recommend it, but technically anybody that's ever changed any industry has
big
put
risk.
everything out.
Literally, they've invested everything.